Hello friends, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel Adyan's World. Today my project is Python language. Let's move on to the video. Today I am going to tell about a programming language named Python. Python was created by Guido van Rossum and released in 1991. What is Python? Python is a computer programming language often used to build websites and software, automate tasks, and conduct data analysis. Python is a general purpose language, meaning it can be used to create variety of different programs and isn't specialized for any specific problem. Python has syntax that allow developer to write program with fewer lines than some programming language. Python has a simple syntax similar to the English language. What is syntax? Syntax is the set of rules or structure that control the layout of the keyword, symbol, punctuation, and other token of Python programming. This tells the computer how to read the code. An interpreter versus compiler. The first thing that is important to understand about Python is that it is an interpreted language. There are two sorts of programming language: interpreted ones and compiled ones. Interpreters translate source code on statement at a time. On the other hand, the compiler first scan the entire program and translate the whole program into machine code. To print hello world in different language. In binary language, there are so many zeros, so many ones. In assembly language, there are so many complicated words. In Python, print, bracket, double cross, and hello world. That's all. What are variable? Variable in programming act like a container that can store different type of data or any data value in them. A variable in a Python program gives data to the computer for processing. In simple words, a variable is a container, storage area to hold data. For example, number is equals to 10. Here, number is the variable storing the value 10. In Python, a variable can be created by just naming it and assigning some value to it. A variable is created the moment you first assign a value to it. Python is a case sensitive language. This means variable and variable are not the same. That is, the capital V variable and the small v variable are not same. Application. It is used for web development, server side, software development, mathematics, system scripting. That's all. Let's see the coding. A is a variable and W is a variable and Q is a variable. A is equals to Adyan, W is equals to is, Q is equals to handsome. In fourth line, print A, W, Q. In fifth line, print A plus W plus Q. Now let's run. See, with the comma there is space. With the plus, there are no space. That's all. This is the simple coding in Python. That's all friends. This is my another project. If you like my video, do subscribe, like, share with your friends. Bye bye. Myself, Muhammad from LiQWYD Robotics.